Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer frozen green beans. This recipe is for frozen green beans made in the air fryer so that they taste delicious. For this recipe, you'll need frozen green beans, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. Start by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, to a medium bowl, go ahead and add the green beans, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. Toss the green beans until well coated. Next, add the green beans to the air fryer and air fry for 8 to 10 minutes until tender. Be sure to check on them halfway through and give them a good shake. Once they're done, go ahead and remove the green beans from the air fryer, let cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.